Hi everyone, this is Professor Alberto. I hope all of you are doing fine. I'm fine too. And as I told you before, I'm just creating this short video to tell you about some things that you already know. The first thing that I want to talk to you about is the online aspects. Okay. Um, Even before we start explaining what English 6 is about, it is important that you know that when you are on the video conferences, there are certain things that you need to pay attention to. For example, your microphones, they should be on mute all the time unless you have the opportunity. If you want to talk, you should raise your hand on Zoom and I will give you the opportunity as many times as you want to speak. Uh, is important to know that English 6 is focused on learning certain aspects of the language that you have seen before. So basically, we will see new things, but we will also see things that you already know but that you need to master. Okay? During the course, you will see all the grammar, vocabulary, and content that we are going to work with. Now, for the schedule of this subject, as you may know, you selected the class at 5 p.m. until 8 p.m. So what we are going to do is that we are going to start the video conference at 6 p.m. So we will be working normally from 1 hour to 1 hour and a half. That will be 6 p.m. until 7 or 7:30 p.m. But this doesn't mean that one day we can start earlier and that one day we could finish later. Please keep that in mind. In terms of the methodology that we are going to use in this class, we are going to combine everything. We're going to work with audios, videos, explanations, works, practice, written works. For example, the first homework that you have in the platform is to say or to write about your English 5 experience, all those things that you learned in English 5 as as a way of summary. You have to submit it and upload it. Now, in terms of textbook and materials, the textbook is already in the platform. What you have to do is just go there, download it, and we're gonna work chapter after chapter. And when we start next week or this week coming up, I will give you more information about that. The assignments, I already told you, we will have assignments every week. We're gonna work weekly, and what is going to happen is that you're going to have from 4 to 6 days for you to do homework. Example, if I assign it today, starting today, you will have from 4 to 6 days for you to do it. It is important that you upload your homework on time because if you don't do it, you will lose the points that they're worth. For exams, we are going to have 3 exams: a first partial, a second partial, and a final exam. And all of the exams are worth 20 points each. Okay, so we will have 60 points of exam and we will have 40 points for the homework, practice, and all the activities that we are going to have. That's it for the overview of English 6. Now, I also want to show you in the platform here, we are in English 6, that we already have 2 weeks. The first week was the one where you had the WhatsApp group so you could join. We also had a presentation discussion over there that you had to give some information about you. And here in this new week, which is September 20th until the 25th, we have one homework. The first one, English 5 experience. Here, what you have to do is that you have to download this document and you have to follow the steps that are there. Now, when you finish working with this, what you have to do is you have to save it and upload it in a PDF format. Do it in PDF, okay? If there is a reason why you cannot do it in PDF, you let me know and we will see what we can do. But please do it in PDF if there is not a problem with that. That is the homework. The homework started today and it will end on the 24th. So we'll basically have 5 days to do it. Almost 5 days, I might say. Then, um, let me see. Then here, you also have the textbook. This is the book that I told you about. That you just go there, you click on it, and you download it. And when you download it, save it in a place that when you need it, you can find it. And we are going to work with that. Now, what you have to do, I know that we have meeting on Friday, but before we meet, you have this homework. You don't need to study anything for you to do it. What you have to do is just remind or remember about your experience in English 5 and write about it. Okay? There is no page limit. You can write as much as you want. All right? So, guys, that's it. That's what I wanted to tell you about English 6, and I will see you on Friday. So, take care.